Bring the warmth of fire and the therapeutic effects of water to your outdoor living space with the Aquascape Fire and Water Spillway Bowl. This innovative fire and water feature boasts an impressive 60,000 BTU flame in the center of the bowl, which illuminates the night as the water gracefully flows around the fire and pours from the spout. Manufactured from a durable, lightweight fiber resin composite, the Spillway Bowl showcases an impressive texture and patina at a fraction of the weight of metal or stone. This complete, easy-to-set-up fire system can be used with propane or natural gas and includes a state-of-the-art stainless steel burner system designed to provide the perfect flame every time. An integrated burner ignition system makes it simple to start the fire at a push of the button, and an internal auto-off sensor ensures safe operation. The Fire and Water Spillway Bowl can be installed as a recirculating water feature using an Aquascape AquaBasin 45, or incorporated into a new or existing pond or pondless waterfall. Each system includes the Fire and Water Spillway Bowl, water and gas tubing, a propane tank regulator, natural gas orifice, and an auto-ignite flame control system for easy startup and flame control.